Guys, today is the day. Today is the day I start my vlog. I have a million things to do. I have a million appointments booked. We're prepping for Miko and we're gonna have a full glow up. I'm taking you with me for hair, nails, lashes, tan. You think of it. I'm taking you with me. I'm so excited to start this journey with you guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and the day is finally here that I can start shooting my vlog. So stay tuned. We're gonna go do every single thing together, but first I need coffee and maybe a few more minutes in bed. I'll see you guys. Such a nice day today. I'm literally so excited for my glow up. I'm running in to get ready and we're gonna leave ASAP. Yay! Going for very basic makeup before the salon because I'm running late as usual. So I'm trying to do this with my left hand, but just some concealer. This is the NARS Radiant This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. Just gonna put that on and blend it with my finger. But anyway, barely blended, but we're just gonna use my powder puff that has a little residual powder on it. And a little bit of that. It's too red, but anyway. And I'm using the Benefit Browsing, and honestly I've been using this same pot for the past 3 years and it's lasted me, so it's probably expired, but who cares, it's working just fine. I totally forgot about sunscreen and skincare, so now I have a face that's just dry as hell. You can tell I'm clearly new to vlogging and I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Skin that's dry as fuck. Oops. I think we're looking presentable. We're off to the salon and I'm thinking I'm going bold, like auburn, but let's go there and see. I hope it suits me, but I'm thinking bold Mykonos energy and I'm so excited. I've literally waited so long to get my hair colored again, although I just got it colored a month ago. I might just get toner even if I don't need to properly color it. But what I'm most excited for is my extensions tomorrow and for the whole look to come together. Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of my transformation, or my prep with me vlog. Today is the big day and the most important one for me because I've been waiting for this day for so long. I'm finally getting in my hair extensions. They're tape-ins, 22 whole inches. They're long and thick and luscious, and I'm so excited because I can style them in so many different ways. Like, I have never had hair that long. I feel like I'm gonna look like a whole new person for this summer, but I'm super excited to show you guys and take you along with me. So let's go to the salon. Okay guys, I'm gonna film a quick fit check for today because I didn't show you guys get ready with me. I'm wearing this super cute cord from H&M. It has these like gold buttons. I love the gold detailing. Then obviously my little handy Chanel because it fits all the essentials, my card holder, my lip gloss, and what more do I need. And then my everyday jewelry, so my watch, my rings. That's it. I'm due to get my nails done as well, so I'm going to take you guys along tomorrow. A portable charger because my phone battery is always running low, and my coffee to go.
Great. So now I'll start with the application. And excited?
I'm very excited. I feel like I want to look like a whole new person after this. Really
And the length is also looking pretty natural.
Yeah, definitely. It's exactly what I imagined. Like, it's exactly what I wanted. So I'm really happy.
And we kept the ends wispy, so it doesn't look too solid at the base.
Yeah.
Just try playing around with your hair. Too expensive. How not? Color looks proper.
Guys, I cut the vlog off, but now I'm back. And this is what now we're doing, like a cookout in my house with my friends. We're doing Mexican food, lamb chops, fish tacos, caviar, obviously, martinis, Bloody Marys, the whole shebang.
And cigars. How much fish?
So smash it.
Trishna, the martini maker.
With vinegar and
Bloody Mary.
cheers, guys.
Martini gang. Cheers, guys. For a second feature on my vlog. The OG.
No makeup this.
No makeup. In the middle of prepping and packing for Mykonos, this is what we're doing. I'm supposed to be on a very strong detox diet. But martini in hand, lamb chops in the grill, lamb fat in the pan. What more can a girl ask for? If we're doing a realistic week in my life, this is what it looks like.
Not bad.
Yeah, we're on a casual setting. It's fun.
I love casual.
Chef, are you plating? We got the homemade tortilla.
Where's the crema's on here, right?
The fried fish, a little bit of slaw,
Eric!
looking banging. Chef number 2 on the pass with the crema. This is the wrong crema, my friend. This is Sid's crema. Sid.
You don't want the straw also? He liked to eat over.
Yeah, he can have the slaw.
Put this slow.
I don't
Slather
think.
it.
I don't think he needs the raita. No. Raita also.
That was gonna be Sid's. Yummy.
That's yours?
It's good. Hi guys, I'm back. Not gonna lie, totally forgot to vlog my day yesterday and the second half of my day before as well. But basically after I got my extensions done, I had a quick like fitting, and then I had like a cooking date night with my friends, which was super fun. And then yesterday my sister and I got our lashes done. I got these individual lashes this time, which I'm kind of obsessed with because they're so natural and cute. I usually get like the clusters, but this time I thought I'd try the individual lashes. Loving them. Today we're on our way to the salon to continue the prep. We're getting our nails done. Looking very crusty at the moment, but I'm thinking I want to get something clean, minimal, chic, classy. Let's see. Also gonna get like a quick wax so I can be nice and like shiny for the batch. And then tomorrow is self-tanner day and all my last minute packing because we leave tomorrow night. I'm so excited. But yeah, taking you to the salon with me now. So let's go. Hi guys, quick update. I'm done with my nails. Look, minimal, chic, clean, cute. Did my toes as well. And now I'm heading out to my brother's birthday dinner. Just gonna leave for my brother's birthday dinner. We're going to Golden Dragon, Chinese food, yummy. I will try and vlog that. But yeah, that's the update for now. That's how the prep is going. Guys, I totally forgot to vlog all of like the rest of my week. But basically, we're at the airport now, on our way to Mykonos finally. And I think I'm just gonna have to complete this vlog on the flight and update you guys. But we're off finally. So excited. We're heading to meet some of my sister's friends. And then we're gonna get a glass of wine in the lounge. Just like going on.